Bonjour les amis, today I'm going to teach you how to do a spatchcock chicken or butterfly chicken where you're going to put that on the barbecue, or today I'm going to show you how to cook it with my air fryer. But first, I'm Olivier, I'm a professional cook in France and UK, and my channel is here to help you to gain confidence with your cooking. So I'm doing recipe step by step to show you everything is easy in cook. So follow me to the spatchcock chicken. So first, what you need: a sharp knife, a board, a tea towel under your board to avoid your board to move too often, and of course, a chicken. So to start, we need to remove all this bit here of the chicken. This is the back of the chicken, all this bit. So to do that, you're going to put your knife inside, completely inside, making it get out here, see? And you're going to break your chicken. See? I do one like that. Now you need to do the other side. Same thing, and you should have removed the back of your chicken. But I saw some video, they just finish like that and put it on the grill like that, but it's not good. What you need to do now is to remove the inside of your chicken. So you remove the bone, it was like that, and this one was there. And now you have your butterfly chicken ready. So basically, you have your two legs left, no bone under your breast. So when you're going to put on the grill, it's going to grill everything and you can slash directly because there is no bone. So I'm going to prepare some crust, some mustard. We're going to season this chicken and put in air fryer. So now we have our chicken and butterfly or spatchcock chicken ready to cook. So I'm going to give you a simple recipe where I use often on the barbecue or inside my air fryer. So first you need to add a little bit of salt. You put some mustard, you put mustard everywhere on the chicken. Little bit more. And after you're going to use some crumble, so I use some bread. You put bread crumble on top of your chicken like that. It's going to stick on the mustard. And this will be ready to go to my air fryer. So I have an air fryer Ninja. I don't know if you see on the camera. And I'm going to cut in half my chicken. So if you're using that on the barbecue, you put it straight away on the barbecue and it's fine. But because I'm going to have two different baskets, so I'm going to just cut there in the middle. And I'm going to put my chicken on the first basket. And the second chicken on the second basket. I have some crumble left. You can salt. I'm going to salt as well this one. And we're going air fryer, 200 degrees for 27 half an hour. But you need to check between. So air fryer, 200 degrees, and I'm going to put a time to 30 minutes to start with. I'm going to push the button match. Like that, it's going to cook both baskets in the same time. And I put OK. So we're going to wait. At half time, I'm going to check how the chicken is. Maybe I'm going to flip down the chicken. I'm going to show you. And see you in half an hour. So 40 minutes pass. And I'm going to check the chicken and I'm going to flip side now. So it's already very nice, crispy. So when you use your air fryer, always use a plastic tongue to not damage your air fryer. Flip. Voilà, this one is done. I'm going to flip the other one. Put back the basket, and in 40 minutes it should be ready to eat. So we just check on our chicken, and for our chicken it was quite a small chicken. 23 minutes, 25 minutes is enough. So you need to vary your time, check often at the end to know if your chicken is cooked or not. But for us it's cooked. So I switch off the basket. And as you can see, it's perfectly cooked. So don't forget, the basket is very hot. So put not straight away to your surface. Voilà, 1/2. This is the second half. And you have your grilled chicken. Barbecue or air fryer. Air fryer is very quick and is very clean as well. You just have these two baskets to clean. Dishwasher, push the button and it's finished. Nothing else. You don't need to use your oven. That is very... We love that. The things about it, we love that. We cook everything inside. So, ready to put on the plate. You just need to cut and you have your grilled chicken, butterfly or Spatchcock chicken. So I wish you a bon appetit, and as usual, if you need any kind of comment below, push the thumb up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell as well. This is help our channel. It's free for you, but it's help our channel. So thank you very much, bon appetit, and see you next time. Bye.